How about the finances for the UK, where the International Monetary Fund has criticised the UK strongly? Both the BBC, who say it's a stinging rebuke, and indeed the Financial Times, who say that the policies put in by the new Chancellor are naive at best. What's happened? Well, first of all, the International Monetary Fund, unusually strong statement, have said it's likely to increase inequality. That's exactly what the opposition are saying, that they are giving to the rich. They've come out in favour of the rich, and it's going to affect the rest of the country in the UK. They're saying the 1% are going to gain in the UK, according to Labour, and 99% are going to lose. Looks like actually everybody's going to lose. Why? Because they borrowed 45 billion in order to fund tax cuts. But the reality is, by funding those tax cuts, they're going to push inflation up, push prices up, push equality up, and at the same time, it looks like the Bank of England is going to have to defend the pound by raising interest rates. In other words, actually everybody loses in the UK. Business people lose, people going on holiday outside of the UK. The only winners are people, foreigners coming into the UK spending money. You could argue that more of them coming in, that's going to help the UK. It's not enough, it's a small percentage of GDP. In other words, the UK has got to back off with its current policies. The MFI, the International Monetary Fund, say there's a budget coming up in November. The UK needs to think about changes to its course of action and actually make sure that it looks to move its direction to spread equality better. Right now, the markets are saying that you're going to see gilts hit 6%, maybe 7% in the UK. So if you've got a base of 7%, means that you're going to be borrowing at 9%. Mortgages already stopped being given out in the UK, likely to be a property crash as well. It's all doom and gloom, is it? Okay, well, there's still action that can be taken. I'll be doing a webinar on it. I'll try and put a link below this particular video, just talking about currency and what they can do. There are courses of action that you can take to protect your money. And indeed, at the same time, the UK can still change course. Lawrence Summers, who was the ex-head of finances in America, a Harvard lecturer, says that he's pessimistic on the UK. It's utterly irresponsible what they've done. Seems all doom and gloom. Okay, well, unless they change policies, it is. Okay, I'll put a link below. I'll be putting other videos in. Right now, it's a time to be protecting your money and actually making sure, if you're in the UK and you've got a mortgage, fix it in. Don't be having a variable rate. Interest rates are going to go up, so get yourself into a fixed rate. If you're outside of the UK, go spend some money at Christmas in the UK. It's going to be cheap, all right, if sterling stays right where it is. Crazy times. Hit subscribe. Please like, please share the video. I'll keep you up to date with everything that's happening in the world and what it takes to be successful in life.